Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, this is Wasim Sajjad and you are watching Sirat Real Estate and Builders YouTube channel. And today we are here with a surprising and wonderful topic that is on the 26 towers of Precinct 19. This Precinct 19 is one of the most important and luxurious place to live in Bahria Town, Karachi. I think this place is most charming and demanding place because of its uniqueness. What is its uniqueness? That is, these towers are flats. These flats are demanding and everybody is running and rushing toward them because their location, their prices, their facilities, their infrastructure, each and everything is very unique and made and taken from Dubai. Its infrastructure is specially taken from Dubai, and these flats are in three categories. The first category is 2-bed apartments, the second is 3-bed, and the fourth is 4-bed apartments. If we talk about its location is very grand and its location is really great and full of importance because when we enter in Bahria Town, Karachi, it is next to the main gate. As you know that Bahria Town, Karachi is a very large area. That is why you will not have to go far from the main gate because it is almost 1 minute drive from the main gate. And that is why the next wonderful thing is that this precinct is full of facilities. The facilities which are provided here in this precinct for 26 towers cannot be found anywhere else. The first most attractive thing is that there are 26 towers. Each and every tower is fully facilitated. There is light for 24 hours. There are parks and beautiful masjid for offering prayer 5 times. The next thing is that there is a beautiful shopping gallery which is called Imtiaz Mecca Mart, which is almost 2 minutes drive from these precincts. The next beautiful attraction is that it is located on main Jinnah Avenue. That is the main big road of Bahria Town, Karachi. The next thing is that it is very close to the theme park where you can go with your children for any kind of enjoyment. Cine Gold Cinema is also present here. The next beautiful thing is that each and everything you can get from one call. So when we talk about its prices are also reasonable and good. If you are investor, you can invest it because when it was launched in 2014, so its price was only 4.5 million, but within the gap of 4 to 5 years, its prices have reached the highest level, almost 9 million to 11 million. You find each flat here of 2-bed apartment, you find here almost 9 to 11 million. So if you want to invest here, your investment can be fruitful and wonderful because in the coming years you can earn a good profit from your investment in these flats. If you purchase a 2-bed apartments, you can find it only 9 to 11 million, and with the coming 2 to 3 years, its price I think will reach to the 15 to 16 millions. So when we talk about its location is grand, its location is beautiful. You can live a grand and luxurious lifestyle in these 26 towers. If we talk about its location is grand and beautiful. There is main Jinnah Avenue very close to it. The next thing is that Jinnah Mega Mart is almost 2 minutes drive from here. You can find each and everything of basic necessities in Imtiaz Mega Mart. That is also the Bahria's largest mall. There is Cine Gold Cinema, theme park, and there are almost swings for your children, entertainment for your children. All the things are provided here. You can live a grand and luxurious lifestyle in these 26 towers. If you want to purchase and buy any flat of 2-bed, 3-bed or 4-bed, you can contact our team. You can contact me, the number given below screen. And please subscribe this channel. Thank you.